and welcome. Today Kia Sorento front brake disc badge replacement. The code for badge, part code, and for the discs in case you need. Over here. Let's start. Now, the reason why changing the brake discs for a Kia, the brake discs are bent. They are vibrating when applying the brakes. That's the reason why I'm going to change out those discs. Now, 14mm. Let's crack loose those caliper bolts from up here. One is over here, the other is over there. Then 90mm for the caliper bracket itself. Two bolts, crack them loose, and then we can proceed. Take the pry bar once you got this super part off. Those small bolts taken loose. Squeeze those brake pads together in here. Stick it between there, and then you are able to push this one out of here like that. Comes quite easy then. So the caliper bracket itself bolts, two bolts, 90mm. Take some longer wrench because they're super tight usually. Break them loose. Now place the caliper between the vices, bracket itself. Clean up those metals because the pad has to be able to slide inside there. Now place the new disc in. Make sure to take the brake cleaner and blast these surfaces over because they are always coated with oil from factory, so that they don't start rusting in package. So wash this oil off with the brake cleaner. Place it in, the new one. Now we take the clean bracket, put this one in, and ready to reinstall everything. Now putting the new badge in. This indicator one goes always inside, because inside you usually can see how much there is left, the pad itself. And once it reaches that point, then it starts making this annoying scraping sound. So this one goes inside there. Now push the pistons in. I use the regular vise. On this car you don't need some specialty tools for that. I did put some metal plate between the piston end. Once you did that, they are sitting nice and flush. Now you can put this bracket onto the new badge.